Conjunctions. Conjunctions are joining words. They can be used to join two or more words or sentences together. Although, suppose we're asked to join these two sentences. Sajid was late for school. He did not hurry. We can join it this way. Although Sajid was late for school, he did not hurry. Sentence A says something that makes us expect Sajid to hurry and reach his school as soon as possible. Because. Let us now try and join these two sentences. Sarah switched on the light. It was getting dark. We can join it this way. Sarah switched on the light because it was getting dark. Sentence A says what Sarah did, and sentence B explains or gives the reason why Sarah did what she did. We can join two such sentences with because.